Metaphase. When is metaphase set to begin? Metaphase begins with the completion of condensation of nuclear envelope. When nuclear envelope disappears in prophase, that disappearance of nuclear envelope has to be completed, which is when metaphase is set to begin. In metaphase, what happens? That is the best stage to study the chromosomes. The chromosomes actually lie in a plane. That plane, which is formed by the chromosomes that lie in the center, is called as equatorial plane or equatorial plate. Very important to remember. If we have a chromosome, it has two strands, and then we have something called a centromere that can be in the center or that can be at the end. We have four types of chromosomes based on the position of the centromere. Centromere has kinetochore, and we have mitotic fibers being attached to the chromosomes via kinetochore. What is the characteristic feature of metaphase? Metaphase, we have equatorial plane. This equatorial plate or plane is the stage where we are going to study the chromosomes, and that is said to be the best stage for studying chromosomes. Anaphase. Here, anaphase is said to begin when each chromosome is split into two. Question can be, when is chromosome split going to happen? So daughter chromatids are formed in anaphase. What happens in anaphase? In anaphase, the daughter chromatids migrate towards the opposite poles. The centromere is ahead and the arms trail behind. If this is a cell, aster, mitotic fibers, so the centromere is split. The chromatids are trailing behind. The centromere is usually ahead. It is much nearer to the pole than the chromatids. What is the key events happening in anaphase? Centromere is split and the chromatids are seen at the opposite poles. Telophase, the chromosomes after having reached the pole, they lose their individuality. Losing the individuality of the chromosomes is actually the key here. All these four, we know it: nuclear envelope, nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, or simply ER, and then we have Golgi body. All of them reappear here. What is the end of the telophase? Reappearance of all of these four, and then we have chromosomes decondenses. This is the ending of telophase. So the ending of telophase is equal to the ending of karyokinesis. We have cytokinesis. In cytokinesis, what happens? There are two types. There are two things that happen. In animal cell, it is relatively simple. There is no cell wall. Usually, if this is the animal cell, there is a furrow which develops, it deepens, and then two daughter cells are formed. This is how simple cytokinesis is in animal cell. It is relatively simple. Here it is complicated. Here in plant cell it is complicated because there is cell wall. If this is the cell, this is the middle lamella, and this is how the cells are. If this cell is dividing, the cell wall is going to be forming in the center, and then it grows outward, and this represents middle lamella later. So this is how cell division happens in plant cell. Cell wall is seen, and that is why it is complicated in plants. What is complicated in plants? Cytokinesis. From the center, the cell wall is formed and then it grows outward. Sometimes what happens is that the cytokinesis does not actually follow karyokinesis. Very important. Cytokinesis need not follow karyokinesis as soon as karyokinesis gets over. We have something called as syncytium. Syncytia means many nuclei. So liquid endosperm of coconut, whatever coconut, or in simple language what we call as coconut water, this has many nuclei. When we leave it for some time, the liquid coconut, the liquid part of the coconut is going to become solid. Why is it going to become solid? It is going to become solid because cytokinesis gets over. So whenever the cell division is faster, their cytokinesis is usually skipped. The significance, very important significance, is because whenever there is cell repair, suppose I have a wound here and this wound has to heal, and that is because of mitosis. This is actually the significance of mitosis. Okay, the same thing, cell repair. There is a wound, there is a wound and the wound is going to heal. That is because of mitosis. Restores nucleocytoplasmic ratio. So we read what is the cause of the cell division. When there is change in nucleocytoplasmic change is when there is cell division, and nucleocytoplasmic ratio is restored following cell division. Growth of multicellular organisms. All the cells were single cells. Even the giant of the giant organism was formed from a cell. Zygote, which is unicellular, how is it going to give rise to multicellular organism? It is because of mitosis. So thanks to mitosis. What are the examples? Upper layer of the epidermis, blood cells, lining cells of the gut, and meristematic tissues like apical and lateral cambium. These are the places where the mitosis significance is very highly appreciated. So this is all we have got to learn today. Thank you.